Hey friend, in this video, I'm gonna presentation about a logo intro. Logo intro is been used by some YouTuber to introduce their channel. Example, like this picture at my right side. Before we want to make the logo intro, we have to know the meaning of logo intro. First, the logo intro is inside the video intro. The logo intro is just a brand that use video intro. The intro video is a short, direct introduction video that tells the viewer everything, especially about product or brand. The characteristic intro video is keep it clear and straight to the point. Length. The length video is about 5 until 8 seconds. Get a pro onward. The meaning is we use the background that relate in our video. The fourth is don't overuse special effect. It means that we want the viewer leave because it has too long special effect. The fifth is audio. To make viewer comfortable when they see the process of making some product or something. The last is teach your viewer. Some YouTuber use an introduction at the beginning, not intro video at the beginning, because they want to introduce first about their product at the video, so the viewer is already guess what the video is talking about. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you about making the intro video. First, prepare video material. Second, put the video material into editing application. We can use editing application like KineMaster at Android and Adobe Premiere Pro at PC. The third, use video as the background. The fourth, put the logo at the video. The fifth, use chroma key if the logo had a background. The sixth, use video transition. And the last one is add some music. Now I'm making a video that tells us about processing making intro video. Let's watch it.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks.
that's all about the video processing making intro video. Okay, that's all. If I have making a mistake at explanation the topic and making a video, I'm so sorry. If you had any question about my topic or my content, you can write your question at the below video or in comment section. Okay, that's all. See you next time.